guys? Welcome back to Max Reaction. How are you doing today? How are you doing today on this fantastic day? Anyway, we're gonna react to Set Fire to the Rain, the Mask Singer. And I think it was with a durian mask. Durian is a fruit from I know the Philippines grow it. It's supposed to be like a stinky fruit, but a very good tasting fruit. So I don't know, I've had durian candy, but I've never had durian fruit. So it's not the same thing, but it's, you know, they take the smell out. But anyway, let's go ahead and get down into the song. I hear it's fantastic. Never seen it. I want to, so let's go ahead and react to it. Let's do this. The Mask Singer. He does. Wow. Great voice. I just gotta stop it for a moment and comment on the mask. The mask is kind of hilarious and frightening all at the same time. But it looks like a durian fruit. I don't know what to think. But the voice right here at the beginning, oh, it's great. Let's go check out the rest of this.
When it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time,
Wow. Woo. That's what I'm saying too, dude.
Until you kiss my lips and you save me.
Wow, great voice. Woo!
Very strong, but my knees so far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew.
Never knew.
Never true, and the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire.
Whoa. This is an awesome performance. Woo.
My eyes feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, never true, and the games you play.
What an awesome performance. Whoa. You're setting fire to the lyrics. Woo! Oh, that was good. I like the judges. They're like, woo, man. Let it burn. You let it burn, bro. Oh my gosh. That's what I'm saying. Woo! Did you see the judges? They're just like, they don't know what to think other than great thoughts. But he did not only set fire to the rain, he set fire to the lyrics. Did he not? And it made me forget he was in that crazy costume, because I don't think I would ever wear that costume. Hopefully the costume didn't smell like a durian fruit. If it did, and he still sung that great, the dude is on fire, legit. He was anyway, but that's my reaction. Those are my thoughts. What are your thoughts? Comment down below. Let me know what you would let me know what you want me to react to down below. Also, I'm gonna drop the link below. Check their channel out. Hit my subscribe button if you want to become an MRA member. Also, if you like family vlogs, I'm going to drop my family vlog channel. I have another channel down below. Don't forget to subscribe to that if you're into that type of thing. And next time you choose a reaction, choose a Max reaction, because we're best in the world, baby. Peace.